Now we can go through another very interesting concept, that is ultrastructure of muscle fibers. And this is very important concept because if you don't know structure of muscle fibers, you won't get sliding filament theory, that is totally depending upon structure of the muscle fibers. And based on these two concepts, they have asked many questions regarding with the sarcomere, HU zone, A band, I band, Z line, etc. So that while reading, it is better to focus these two concepts. Now we can discuss one by one. These muscle fibers mainly consist of two important proteins. One is actin, another one is myosin. These two proteins plays very important role for contraction of the muscle. That's why these two are known as contractile proteins. Next one is, and these two muscles, they will arranged in the muscle fibers. Because of that reason, they appears dark light bands throughout the length of the muscle fibers. And this is the one small part of the muscle fibers we have taken here. Now we can discuss in detail. And as we told that, and this muscle fiber consists of light band, that is represented as I band. What it means? I means I represents isotropic. Isotropic means, iso means same. In this I band, there is only presence of one protein, that is actin. This is the actin, this is this one, these are all actins. Whatever the blue lines are present, and those blue lines represents actin. Only actin is present in that particular area. That's why that is known as A band. In this A band, we have noticed there is another line is present, and that line is known as Z line. And this Z line mainly studied by or described by Skype. That's why they have given Z line. And next to I band, next band is there where there is a thick myosin filament is present, which is represented in red in color. This is the myosin. That's why where the myosin is present, and that band is known as A band. And this A band mainly consists of myosin. The question is, why it is called it as A band? A means that is anisotropic band. Iso means same, because in I band only one kind of proteins are present. That's why it is known as isotropic band. But in A band, it consists of both actin as well as myosin. In A band, what happens? And this myosin cross over, or this myosin overlapped with actin. That's why it is look like a dark in color. That's why it is known as anisotropic band. In this anisotropic band, in A band, you will get there is a non-overlapped area is present. We can focus this area is completely overlapped with actin as well as myosins, but this area does not overlap with any actin. It is known as HU zone. This HU zone is studied by Hansen. That's why they have given scientist name, that is known as HU zone. In this HU zone, there is a presence of one line, and that line is known as M line. Are you got it? Where M line is present? M line is present in the H zone of A band. And next one is, after this A band, again there is a I band. This I band is also having one Z line, and this I band is also having another Z line. Here the distance between two Z line is known as sarcomere, and that's why sarcomere is defined as in different definitions. Sarcomere is a basic unit of muscle fibers, or it is a structural and functional unit of muscle fibers, or sarcomeres are distance between two Z lines. And these sarcomeres, that means when two Z lines are close to each other, that indicates that is a contraction of the muscles. If these two Z lines are relaxed, that shows relaxation of the muscles. After the sarcomere, we will study about another protein, that is titin. What it means? It is a one protein. It connects two important lines. One is Z and M line. Where is M line is present? As we know that in H zone there is a presence of M line. This is the Z line, and this Z line is connected with one of the protein, and that protein is known as titin. I will draw this one. This is the Z line, this is the M line, and these two lines are connected with one protein, and that protein is known as titin. And this titin is also involves contraction and relaxation of the muscles.